Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Belt. My name is Kelly. We're here at Overland Expo Mountain West in Loveland, Colorado, checking out next level overland gear from Leitner, 23-0, and Cargo Kitchen. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm here with Justin from 23-0, and Justin, you guys are rocking a new 270 awning. What do we have here?
This is the 270 Peregrine awning. This is the right-hand side mount with LST fabric.
Okay, so they are side, you have to mount them on specific sides to the vehicle.
The 270 does, because of the way that it wraps around the back, and I'm sure you'll get to that in a minute where it curls around. You could mount it on either side, but it needs that back curve to come around the back.
Gotcha.
Yep.
And we have had a ton of wind here at Expo Mountain West. How's this done in the wind?
This one has survived exceptionally well. It's been just hanging in the breeze for the last 3 days. We did have some fun with the one on our trailer. Thursday night, the wind hit at 60 mile an hour. It managed to bend a 1/4 inch thick bracket and turn them into bananas. The awning copped it fine. Bracket, that was its fuse point.
Perfect. And just so you know, I heard there was gusts of 82 miles an hour.
82, even better. Yeah.
Better, yeah.
When we came back in Friday morning and went, oh no, we thought we were in trouble. Thankfully, we had a second bracket kit, but again, easy fuse point, didn't break any parts on the awning itself.
Excellent. And this thing is just really, really nice. Like, I like the way it blocks all the sun coming through. What kind of material are we working with here?
So this is a special LST fabric, light suppression technology. So we actually created this for our line of tents, and we did that because we wanted to stop the amount of light transmission that would actually come through in the tent, especially in the morning. It worked so well, and we also figured out a second benefit to it. So the first reason was we're affected by light. We know the color light would affect us, yeah? We know that. Red, blue, green, orange, whatever. Removing the light altogether means we're not affected by the light anymore. What we discovered was with a temperature gun, we had our old tent and our new tent side by side one another, hit the temperature gun, the difference was 21 degrees between our old color, which was a similar color to the outside, green, to the new LST was 21 degrees different on the internal temperature. So the amount of light that transfers through this being reduced to almost 99% blockout, no UV, it reduces the heat, so it stays a lot cooler.
That's awesome, especially because we're desert based, so this would super come in handy.
Absolutely. If you fill it up with the walls, this is like an apartment building underneath here. It's fantastic.
Excellent. And what does something like this weigh mounted on a vehicle?
So the awning itself is 47 pounds. The bracket kit, if you use all of them, is 63. So the two together are 63.
Awesome. We're getting a gust right now, and this thing is not even budging. This is incredible.
Yeah, I mean, normally we'd have the leg off. We chuck that on so we can get to that next piece later on. But it'll cop a light breeze. I would be uncomfortable with this walking away from this if the wind was coming straight onto us, because it's coming down the road and it's not getting up underneath it. It'll do this all day, and has done. Yeah.
Awesome. And what is the price point for something like this?
This one's $9.99. Yep. So we do four different models, left or right, in a 270, $9.99. We do a 180, $7.49, and we do a short 180 for mounting on the rear of the vehicle that also lends itself well to a Tacoma bed mount.
Excellent. Yeah, we actually talked to the guy from Spirit of 1876, and he was bragging about that, the shorty for his camper van.
Thank you. Yeah, and it's been an exceptionally popular little unit because it's the only one that opens like that, so it gives 13 feet of coverage end to end, but mounts off a 62-inch mounting platform. So small, compact, out to a big unit. Yep.
Excellent. I really like what you do here. Now, I got to tell you, when we saw this, Trevor's mind was blown, and that's actually really easy to do, but still, it still blew his mind.
So it's one of those things that you're always looking for someone to hang stuff. You're just looking for someone to hang stuff. So we came out with a very simplistic idea, which is a universal lantern hanger. Anything round, anything square, anything you can put weight on, it's going to hang off there. As you see, we've got a little lantern hanging up there. Backpacks, bags, keys, anything you want is going to hang up there.
Awesome. Is there a weight capacity to this at all?
You know what, 15, 20 pounds, I think it'll still cop it. I mean, really, you can really put some, it's a spring steel, so you can really put some weight up on there. I don't think you'd bend it, but you'll know that it's starting to get to it's starting to get to the end of its capacity.
Yeah, probably the pole might be more of a concern than the bracket itself.
Very good, correct, yeah.
Excellent. All right, well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, sir. Enjoyed talking to you. I'll come back anytime.
Thank you very much. All right, guys, I'm here with Sean from Cargo Kits. And Sean, I'm looking at this box system behind me here, and my mind's kind of blown right now. What do we have?
This is the cargo kitchen, and we have a rapid deploying kitchen unit for the back of an SUV. It's removable. It doesn't have to be permanently mounted in your vehicle, and it's got full function kitchen, 2-burner stove, refrigerator, cooler slide, and a sink, and 5-gallon water storage.
Excellent. And what kind of materials are we working with here?
These are aluminum laser cut panels that are powder coated with aluminum extruded crossbars. We do use some 3/4 inch Baltic birch plywood that's pre-laminated with a waterproof coating on the top, and stainless steel drawer slides.
Excellent. And this is based on the 4Runner platform, correct?
That's where we started. It'll work in any SUV that it'll fit into. We'll add more vehicle-specific platforms as time goes on, but we started with the 5th Gen 4Runner.
Now, what vehicles do you have in mind? And I'm hinting towards the Tacoma.
We're going to look at some trucks. This was specifically designed for SUVs, but we will be looking at that. We're also looking at Jeeps, JKs, JLs, possibly Subarus as well. So we're looking to expand probably first in the SUV market, but we have some ideas for some truck-based platforms as well.
Excellent. Now, is there anything else in your setup here that just is noteworthy, something you want to talk about?
Yeah, I really want to focus in on the water system we have here. It's not just a faucet. It also functions as a transfer pump, so you can use it to power a shower. You can use it to pump water from an external jerry can into your onboard storage. There's a lot of different options there, but it's not just a faucet. You can use it to pump fluid and transfer it from one place to another.
That's excellent. That's a great, anything where you can make it one item for 2 jobs is perfect.
Yeah, it was really designed as a way to fill the unit. We wanted an onboard tank, but we didn't want to have to fill the tank from inside the vehicle, and we wanted something that when the unit was extended, slid out from the unit, the filling port would be on the front. And that's kind of where it started, and then we adapted. We figured we could do this and that, and we ultimately came up with a pretty versatile system here that uses quick connect fittings to transfer. You can change from a faucet to a hand shower to a transfer tube, and yeah, it's just very versatile. To fill your tank, you would disconnect your pickup tube, and we do provide a quick connect garden hose attachment for a RV style filling, but you can, we've got some extra tubes here for that. You have a pickup tube that you can drop into a jerry can, so if your onboard tank is empty, you can pump the water out of the jerry can, and then you can also disconnect the spigot, and you can use the transfer tube to connect to your tank, and we would pump the water into the onboard tank. You can also use the transfer tube if you wanted to pump water to another vessel, or if you were to operate, say, a shower, a tankless water heater or something like that.
That's awesome. And the fit and finish of the thing is gorgeous.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Awesome. And what is the price point on this unit here?
This lists for $49.95. So I'm sorry, $49.99. I always get the 9s and 5s mixed up. But yeah, so just under $5,000.
Excellent. And where can people find you at?
You can find us at our website, campcargokits.com.
Awesome. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, I'm here with Keith at Leitner. And Keith, I hear you got a brand new product that's not even out yet. What is this?
Yeah, we're really excited about this. We did a collaboration with MyMedic, and this is their MyMedic large advanced kit, and basically we fused it with our existing gear bags. So next month you'll see this on our website, and it's basically their full basic trauma kit in our gear bag. So you can keep this at the ready on your shelf in your garage, and when you're ready to go out, you can just pop it in the GorillaPod because it's ready to go in our gear bag.
That's awesome. Now, does it come stocked with the first aid kit, or is it just the bag itself?
No, it's the whole kit. Is just one solution, and it comes all configured already. So literally, you can take it out of the box and you're ready to go.
Awesome. Yeah. And we're talking like anywhere from a splinter all the way up to like a broken bone, right?
Yep. Splints. It has a It has a bleed bag in here. Oops, it's got a bleed bag, and these are all marked and labeled for everything. So they make it really easy. And this is they're one of the top industry leaders in first aid kits. So this is a really good solution. So it's turnkey. You don't have to think about it. It's ready to go. Just pop it in the truck and go.
Awesome. Get it in there, use it. Hopefully you don't need it.
Hopefully you don't need it, but it's better to have and not need, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right. So cool. I heard you also have a really cool new water tank system.
We do. We have our integrated inline shower kit. It's a 4.8 gallon tank that you can use to shower, wash the dog, wash the dishes, whatever you want to do. So on the trail, you can pressurize it with a hand pump and ready to go. And the hose is 20 feet and it's long enough to reach the radiator if you run out of water.
Are there any other like cool features, any way to heat the water up by any chance?
I mean, it's a black tank, so it'll heat. I wouldn't say it's going to get hot, but it'll stay warm on the trail. But I think the biggest function is that you have the ability to shower and stay clean on the trail. So it's good.
And is it only, do these bins in the water tank, is it only for Leitner racks or will it go into any of the racks?
I mean, the rack, we try to make it easy for people and make it modular. So everything we design it fits with it's proprietary to our rack, to the active cargo system.
Awesome. All right, cool. And what are the price points on these when this one comes out and the water tank?
This will be $350, and we're not quite sure what the HydroPod is called, our shower system, and I think it'll be about the same price. So those both will come out in late September, early October of this year.
And where can people find you at?
LeitnerDesigns.com.
Perfect. All right. Thank you so much for your time, Keith. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, guys. I really hope you enjoyed that video. Remember, if you are a fan of Adventure Built, be sure to subscribe. It really does help the channel grow. While you're there, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, follow us on IG. It's AdventureBuilt_, and I'll see you guys next time.